Hello everyone, welcome to this new video, and today we will unbox the brand new electric skateboard from Linnpower. It's called Zephyr Max. Let's go! So this board is actually answer from Linnpower to some of the, let's say, hybrid boards, like for example Ace Deck Nomad Switch, or something that's between all-terrain and form factor. And it's this beautiful Linnpower Zephyr Max. I'll show you how it looks in the box. Yeah, it looks awesome. So what we have here in the box, I'll show you everything. So except the manual, we have the board here, some belts, some box, and also because it's 2-in-1 board, we have second set of the wheels, and it's included in the price. That's good, right? But let's start with these small packages. So this is cable for charging the remote. Then here we have charging cable for the charger. Then here we have some spacers for the trucks, because you can fit 80 tires on this board. You will need to put them a little bit more away from the board, because then you will get a wheel bite, which you don't want. So nice. Then we have some screws and charger for the US or UK, not sure. And then these awesome nice pulleys with belts, 2 belts, and these pulleys, they are again CNC machine. Didn't expect, but they delivered. I have plastic pulleys, for example, here on the cloud wheels, and to be honest, sometimes they're a little bit pain, because the rocks can stuck between the belt and the pulley, and then the pulley is damaged. With these CNC machine ones, I think they won't do this, so that's awesome. Another box in the box, and this is probably a charger. Yeah, it's charger, standard charger. We all know these waves or something, and it's actually 2 amps. Wow, that's actually pretty low, I would say. Now let's put the board from the box. To be honest, it's not lightweight. It still has 1000 amp hours battery. And then another layer in the box actually. And here we have another set of wheels. We also have some wrenches, that's useful. Then here we have the remote. It's beautiful remote. I'll show you later closer, but it's again like on the OX. It's CNC machined casing, and this time it's this beautiful purple color matching. Wow. I'm wondering why on the OX they didn't do it with red, because it's red. Here it's purple, I don't know, but it's really nice little touch. Skate tool, as usual. And then 4 of these nice pneumatic street wheels. Again, color matched with the purple. Nice. And that's it in the box. So I think we can actually put it away. And here we have the board itself. Wow, it's nice, really nice. I like the looks of it, because to be honest, I haven't seen wooden board or that looks or has the look of the wood like this in a while. I think last one I saw was the real RS, and that's actually it. And to be honest, it's nice, fresh, you know, design. And this board is actually flexible deck. Again, bamboo, maple, fiberglass, you know, usually. It has plastic cover, so it can flex. Here is the ESC. Again, the trucks are really nicely coated in the purple color. So the trucks are, I would say, they are pretty wide again for this kind of board, but it's not as wide as on the OX or Evo I have next to me. So that's all we have here. It's really interesting, they wrap it in this plastic. So they are really nice. Wow, they look awesome. But Linpower, please, could you do it in paper or something? Because I think, yeah, it's nice that you protect the wheels, but is it necessary? I think it's a little bit unnecessary to wrap it in the plastic. Maybe try to use paper or don't wrap it at all. I think they won't be damaged because it's in a lot of foam. But when unboxing, it's interesting experience. Okay, so this is it. Now I'll take you a little bit closer. What do you think, right? Okay, so first of all, here is the remote. Standard, I would say hobby remote, but it's in the CNC machined case. It's really nice. Here we have the board itself. Again, nice purple finish. These boosted wheels, if I'm not mistaken, they are 85mm boosted wheels. I don't know if you can see. There are actually no holes inside and they are really squishy. Can you see? I'm bending it. Foam grip tape, really good thing. I don't know why they didn't put it on the OX. This is one thing I don't like about the board. It's really stiff and they didn't even put a foam grip tape there. Here it has it. It's flexible deck, so it's really good too. Here we have small logo, and yeah, overall, I would say it's pretty nice. Here we have the motors. Again, like every other board, it's really nice experience when unboxing. Here we have the wheels, the purple. I know I'm saying it all over again, but this purple, I don't know if you will be able to see it on the video, but it's really nice purple. It's nice shade of purple and it's polished. It's like matte or something, I don't know, but it's really nice. Also, they are 160 by 55mm. And with these, as said, we have the CNC machine pulleys. So if you want to go on street and a little bit more comfort, you can choose these. Or just want as much range as possible, you can use these. And all you need to is change the pulley. And it's interesting, it looks like it won't even fit there, but I guess they know what they are doing. Only my concern is, but we will of course test it, because it's bigger diameter than the wheels itself. If I'll put these on and the belt is around the motor pulley, if the contact will be enough for it not to skip, but I think it will be okay. Okay, so now this is the underside. Nothing like really special or interesting. Again, CNC machined cover, and the button for on and off is here. And let's turn it on, right? Okay, it's blinking. And now the remote. And yeah. The UI on this remote looks different because, as you can see, it has a lot more bars on the board, I would say it is. And it just looks a little bit different because I think this is the updated Hobby Wing remote. So it's a little bit newer than on the OX. And yeah, that's it for the unboxing. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll see you again in the next one. Maybe review of this board. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye.